Dropkickd social app for wrestling fans is a premium social platform tailored for wrestling fans. Whether you're a long-time fan or new to the scene, Dropkickd offers a space to rate, review, and create lists of events and matches from top promotions. Mark events and matches it's watched, rate them, and write your own reviews. Build and share your very own list of your favorite matches and events. Explore trending events, see what's getting the most love or heat. Find hidden gems from decades of wrestling history. Follow other fans to see what they're up to. Join discussions and become part of community that celebrates the art of professional wrestling. So yeah, here is the app. You can just see it in here. And then yeah, you can just see all the trending events. You can see like newest reviews. So for example, if you can just see the events, you can see the rating, you can add rating, you can see all the reviews, all the lists, related events, and then there is your profile where you can just sign in, create your account. So browse matches, reviews, and then newest events, you can see it in here. So yeah, that's kind of the app. Super simple, but yeah, if you like this wrestling, then try it out.